Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the forecast for Nifty in the upcoming week. Please remember that it is a truncated week wherein 19th of September is a holiday due to Ganesh Chaturthi. And before even going into our analysis, a couple of requests as usual. First thing, after hearing this video, if you feel that it is helpful for you and it may help your friends too, please do share it for everyone whoever is interested in markets. Second thing, after hearing the video, please do post your likes or dislikes or comments or feedback, whatever it may be. That will be helpful for me to improve myself, and at the same time, if there is any feedback, that will be if there is any good comments, it will be a motivating factor for me. Now we will move on to the analysis. I have opened Nifty charts and daily time frame as usual. This time I have reversed the uh, Fibo retracement levels by connecting August 31st low and September 15th high. That is the high made on Friday. During last week itself, we have predicted or we have forecasted that Nifty will try to hit 20,210 within the week, and it has been achieved. Unfortunately, it haven't gave a very steep dip on Monday or Tuesday for us to enter our 19,900 call. But never mind, our analysis is correct. Those who are part of our Telegram channel, you would have made money because I have posted live calls over there during market hours. Right? So forget about last week. Now let's concentrate on the upcoming week where we have only 4 working days. Based on this, I'm not comfortable taking a long trade now, to be honest. Okay. So where can we start trading again or initiate positions again? Please remember, I have said I'm not comfortable in taking long. That doesn't mean I will short now. Okay. So don't think that this fellow has said it's not wise to go long over here and then go on short. That is not the wise idea. It should give a signal. Okay. So that's the reason I'm saying that I'm not comfortable in taking a long trade right now. But upon dips, I'll be comfortable taking long again for higher targets like 20,500 and 21,000 in coming weeks or months. If you ask me Nifty will hit 21,000, I will say yes, but it will take its own sweet time frame. That's all. So Nifty has broken this falling trend line and climbed up all the way one way. There is no huddle in between, just one day of red candle, and beyond that everything is on the higher side. And since Nifty has closed near 20,200 levels, now I would say the earlier resistance, the previous high which has been made, which is 19,991, maybe 92, that would be the support now. So any dip towards this zone can be bought again for higher targets, and if you want a stop loss, if Nifty closes below this level, you may exit your position, right? So any dips in the sense, like, we may think that there is 200 points whether it will come or not, but it is not the case. It's just 1% of Nifty's current value, so it may happen. So at that point only I am comfortable in taking long. To be precise, if this 78 point 6 retracement level is coming, I'll be taking along like this one 20,000, yeah, 20,010 odd levels, somewhere in between 20,000 to 20,030 odd levels. I will be comfortable in taking along again, having a stop loss of 19,992 on closing basis. Okay, now if you ask me what will be the higher targets, the initial target will be like the earlier high, which is 20,222, which was been made on Friday. This one 20,222, crossing which this trend line which I have drawn will be the resistance. Only if we are able to manage to break above this level and sustain, then we will be able to see targets of 20,500, or else at this level we will face a stiff resistance and then fall back again. So my view is very clear. Only on dips towards 20,000 to 20,030 I will be a buyer. I will never short this market. And moreover, there is important session, parliament session, which is being scheduled in the next week, 5 days of parliament session, where some important decisions are going to be taken. I would not say decisions, I would say important bills are going to be proposed, and it is subject to get clearance from the members. So based on that also we will be able to see the volatile movements in markets. That's one of the stuff. Anyways, Tuesday is going to be a holiday, which is the most important day during bull markets. But unfortunately, Tuesday is going to be a holiday this week. So we need to see whether Nifty is coming towards our levels on Monday before end of the day. If that is the situation, we will take a long. Maybe a 20,100 call would be a better idea, but it would not be the best idea. Why? Because the very next day is a holiday and the time decay will erode our premium. So if you are seeing our level before 12:30 or 1 p.m., you may take a long and square off your position by end of the day. Don't carry it overnight. Okay. Or else if you are not seeing our level, well and good. You leave it as it is. Let the market move on its own. Forget about it. Come fresh on Wednesday. If there is any dip again towards our zones of 20,000 to 20,030 levels, you may take a long again, but this time you may go with in the money call itself, which is 20,000 call, because only one day of expiry is left. So it will be moving like futures. If there is a 30-point move, you will get 30 points. So that is the reason I am saying this. And if you ask me whether this trend line will be tested during next week, good chances, provided the parliament session is not being a spoil spot. Good chance, but there is a condition over here. If that is going to be smooth and good, then definitely this trend line could be tested within this week. If that happens before Thursday, we will be in a good shape in our position, or else it will go for a toss. I would suggest try to play intraday alone during next week, especially on expiry bets. Monday mid cap expiry, Monday fin Nifty expiry, and Wednesday Bank Nifty expiry, and then again Tuesday, Thursday Nifty expiry. So all these stuffs try to play intraday itself. Buy on a deep dip intraday if it comes before 1 p.m. and then square it off on the same day by end of the day. if there is a raise. I'm sure that there will be a raise in if there is a dip, because this is not a bear market, it is a bull market, and whatever the dip we see, it will get bought. And I can give you one more convincing factor. Always see India VIX, probably add it to your watch list also. Whenever you see this one below 13, any kind of dip, even 500 point kind of dip, will be definitely getting bought into, and on that particular day we will be able to close only less than half a percent. VIX below 13, very 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 rare scenario. If you ask me, out of 100 times if it happens, only one or twice it will be closing beyond half a percent in red. That will be the scenario. So you can have this in your watch list, which will be more helpful for you to predict markets. If VIX keeps on creeping up higher, markets will definitely not sustain at higher levels. Definitely it will fall. These both are inversely proportional to each other. If which VIX falls, markets will rise. If VIX rises, markets will fall. This is the simple logic between, or simple correlation between these two. Okay. So now we are done with our video. See you all in the next video, friends. Bye for now.